Assalamu alaikum students. Today we shall do the remaining exercise of unit 1, the C from page 4 and 6. Here you can see the page 4 and there is question 1. Read the story and answer the question. What are Dave and Jack looking for? What do they find? So students, you can see in the picture 1, Dave and Jack are looking for a sunken ship, and in picture 5 you can see they find gold plates and silver cups. How will you answer these questions? What are Dave and Jack looking for? They are looking for a sunken ship. What do they find? They find treasure in the sunken ship, gold plates and silver cups. Now come to the page 6, lesson 4, question number 1. Make sentences using the words in the table. Example, there is a shark swimming in the bay. Students, you can see it's a table and there are 4 boxes in this table. Here in the first box there is written there is, and there are. Students, there is will come with singular nouns and there are will come with plural nouns. In the box number 2 we have nouns, some birds, a shark, 2 girls, a man, some children. In the third box we have verbs, swimming, playing, flying, sleeping, hoping. In the fourth box we have places, and on these places they do their performances. By joining the words of this table we shall make 5 sentences like this. There are some birds flying over the water. There is a shark swimming in the bay. There are 2 girls playing on the beach. There is a man sleeping under the tree. There are some children hopping near the lake. Now come to the question number 2, page 6. Make sentences for the pictures using phrases from the box. Students, you can see here is a box and here are some phrases. In the classroom, outside the school, in the playground, in the street, in the park. These are the phrases. These are not sentences. These are not complete sentences and these do not have clear meanings. By using these phrases and by using these 5 pictures, we shall make 5 sentences. Like we have an example here. There are some boys playing football in the playground. Students, you can see in this picture a woman is doing painting. There is a woman painting the picture in the classroom. So we shall start the sentence with there is. In the second picture there are some boys outside the school. There are some children doing exercises outside the school. We shall start this sentence with there are. In the picture 3, a man is selling ice cream. There is a man selling ice cream in the street. Here are some boys playing football. There are some boys playing football in the ground. Here you can see girls are skipping. There are some girls skipping in the park. Now come to the question number 3, page 6. ING form of verbs. Sort the verbs in the box into 4 groups as shown below. These are the verbs: try, dance, die, drive, eat, fish, fly, hope, lie, plan, skip, smile, tie, travel. And these are the groups. Into these groups we shall divide these verbs. The first one is add ing. In this group we shall add ing like with cry, fly, eat and fish. It will be crying, flying, eating, fishing. In the second group we shall drop e and add ing. The words which end with e, we shall finish the e from these words and we shall add ing like dance, drive, smile. These will be like this: dancing, driving, smiling. Double the consonant and add ing. What are the consonants? You can see in the picture here. These are consonants letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants letters. Now come to the group 3. We will double the consonant and add ing. Which words? Hope. You can see P consonant comes in the end of hope. It will be double, like hoping, skip, skipping, plan, planning, travel, traveling. Now come to the group 4. Change IE to Y and add ing. The words which end with IE, we shall finish the IE and change them into Y and add ing, like dying, lying, and tying. Now come to the page 6. Question number 4. Make sentences using 2 verbs from each group. From where we can take this verse? We can take this verse from these groups. How will we make the sentences? Example: Jack is eating a mango. Dave is fishing on the beach. The girls are dancing in the party. The boy is smiling to see the clown. The children are skipping in the park. The rabbits are hopping in the ground. The man is lying under the tree. The boy is tying the laces of shoes. Children, you will learn all the work and write on your notebooks. Allah Hafiz.